Hello friends, my name is Shivansh. This is my new video of Science Experimental series, and today's experiment name is Make It Oobleck. For that we need cornstarch, 10 ml of water, bowl, 2 colors and spatula. Let's start the experiment. Now we will add 7 scoops of cornstarch in the bowl. Now we will add 10 ml of water in this. In the last we will add 2 drops of blue color and 2 drops of red color. Now we will stir it well. When I try to tilt it, it looks like water, but when I tap it with the spatula, it feels like solid. And this way, your oobleck is ready. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.